Hello and Happy New Year to all. We have a package to unbox, so let's get into it. This is a shipment coming from the German site Sammlerecke, which is Collector's Corner in English, and it's a site mainly for manga and Western comics, although German anime DVDs can also be bought from there. Since I read my manga in German, this site is perfect for me because it has all the newest releases as well as second-hand items, and it's coming tax-free to my country. The first item I got here is the 9th book of the manga The Bibliophile Princess, which is released under the title Eliana, Prinzessin der Bücher in German. I love the art style of the artist. The anime adaptation was kinda weak, but I can't wait to read this. They always send a couple of freebies with your order, postcards, gift cards, preview books for upcoming releases, which I really like. This time they sent a detailed schedule for the current and future German releases, and it's such a good idea. Germany has so many manga titles released by its many publishers that it's really hard to keep up with them. But this is so clever, I love this. The other part of the package is Star Wars related. Last year at Comic-Con, I found a complete collection of the 90s Star Wars X-Wing comic book series, but I already had some of the books, like this one or The Phantom Affair, which I really like, but the seller was hell-bent on keeping the series as a whole, and ever since then I was wondering where I could get the remaining ones. Sammlerecke had a lot of complete stories, so I thought, why not? I love the X-Wing novels by Michael A. Stackpole and Aaron Elston, and their characters, mainly Wedge, Hobby, Wes, and Tycho. They are also featured in these stories here. Let's see what we have. Battleground Tatooine 1 to 4 from 1996, guys. This is 30 years old. Jesus, I feel old now. Then there is the Warrior Princess 1 to 4, really nice cover art and very decent inside pages. The Making of Baron Fell, which is I think a one-shot. And lastly, Masquerade and Requiem for a Rogue 1 to 4. I'm really excited for these new comics and I can't wait to read them. If you like them, let me know in the comments which ones are your favorites. And another reminder to check out Samlereke. This wasn't a sponsored video, I just love them and will definitely buy from them in future. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.